What is Baisakhi? Part 2. Hi, my name is Dr. James Holt, and when we last left Baisakhi, the Panch Pyare had been initiated into the Khalsa, but this isn't the end of the events of that day. After initiating the Panch Pyare into the Khalsa, the Guru Gobind Rai, as he then was, greeted them and the Panth with the words, Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fatah, which means the Khalsa belongs to Waheguru, the victory belongs to Waheguru. This is now the greeting when members of the Khalsa meet one another. The Panch Pyare were the first members of the Khalsa, the first to go through the Amrit Sanskar. This perhaps would have been sufficient to establish the community of Sikhs who were willing to signify their faith through the wearing of new clothes and the taking of Amrit. But it was followed by an event that was as challenging to Sikhs as the challenge to caste may have been. Singh Mandar has described what happens next as constituting, quote, an excessive violence where the Guru sacrifices his transcendence, authority, and therefore does violence to the very order of sacredness and empowers the Khalsa, close quote. Guru Gobind Singh knelt before the Panch Pyare and asked them to initiate him into the Khalsa. The five initially refused, but on the repeated entreaties of the Guru, they relented and gave Amrit to the Guru in the same way that he had administered it to them. It was at this point, in concert with the Panch Pyare, he renounced all vestiges of caste and family and replaced his name Rai with Singh. The image of the Guru kneeling and perhaps an obeyance to the Khalsa would have been disturbing to the gathered Sikhs. Guru Gobind Singh was their Guru. He was the divine light to whom they looked for leadership and guidance. It has been suggested, and this might be a later interpretation, that the Guru was passing on the leadership of the Panth to the Khalsa, in a similar way that Guru Nanak had installed Guru Angad as his successor. The humility of Guru Gobind Singh in acknowledging the authority of the Khalsa prepared a way for the leadership of the Panth to be in the hands of the Khalsa. This authority would be combined with and be under the sovereignty of Guru Granth Sahib. Following the first 6 initiations into the Khalsa, there are reports that 20,000 Sikhs received Amrit at Anandpur, and as word spread, many more throughout the Panth.